Wow, irritating, right? Put yourself in the shoe of the owner of this inverter. How would you feel if your inverter just slips into this state because of your own mistake? How would you feel? Alright, welcome back to our channel. If you are watching this video or video for the very first time, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and that is one big way you can support us. One of our clients sent us this video, and when we got there, he was so displeased with himself. He told us that he mistakenly overloaded the system and the system slipped into this state. So we disconnected the battery terminals, and then we waited for some time, and then we reconnected it. But when we reconnected it, the initial spark that comes out from that battery terminal was not there. And then we knew that something has gone bad within the system.
Why do we see that little spark on the battery terminals when we connect an inverter to the battery? When you first connect your inverter to the battery, the internal capacitors in the DC input stage quickly absorb energy to charge up. That sudden flow of current, called inrush current, is what creates the tiny spark you see at the terminals. It's completely normal, and in fact, it shows that the inverter's DC bus capacitors, MOSFET gate drivers, and soft start circuits are all receiving power. But when that spark disappears, it tells you something deeper: the inverter's power path may be broken. It could mean the main DC fuse has blown, the power MOSFETs are open, or the soft start relay is no longer engaging. Without that initial surge, the inverter can't charge its internal capacitors, meaning the main conversion stage isn't even coming alive. And if your inverter also shows the dreaded DDDD error after that, it's a clear sign that an overload or short circuit has already damaged part of the power section. Something inside has failed, and the system is now locked in protection mode, waiting for service.
So we started looking for other solutions. Now, what could possibly go bad in this system? One of the things that could possibly go bad in this system is the MOSFETs. If the MOSFET transistor within has blown out, it can give rise to this kind of error. Another thing is the DC fuse within. So due to the overload, the DC fuse can blow up, and that can also give rise to this kind of error. This error is not your normal error. It is, whenever you see this kind of error, it shows that something critically has happened. So another thing that can give rise to this is the power relay. The power relay gets damaged. And lastly is the board itself, where you have the oscillator, the switching circuits, the MOSFET bank, and the rest of them. If the board itself gets damaged, the PCB can also give rise to this. So since the inverter is already on warranty, so we don't want to remove the warranty seal, we advised our client to take it to Luminous Service Center, which he did, and then he brought it back, we reconnected it, and it started working. In our next video, we will show you how you can protect your system. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. Thank you very much. Click on the bell icon as well, so that when our next video comes out, you will be the first to know. We appreciate. Thank you very much. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing. We appreciate.